Welcome to Wheels and Wings, the channel where we bring you the latest reviews, features, and deep dives into everything that moves, from luxury cars to high-flying machines. In today's video, we're looking at the 2026 Lincoln Navigator, a full-size luxury SUV that continues to raise the bar in comfort, design, and performance. The 2026 Lincoln Navigator comes into the spotlight with a refreshed exterior and enhanced technology, making it one of the top choices for those who want space, luxury, and power all in one vehicle. Lincoln has taken its flagship SUV and refined it further with sleeker lines, an updated grille design, and new signature lighting elements that give it a more modern and elegant presence on the road. With new color options and wheel designs available across the trim levels, the Navigator maintains its bold yet sophisticated appeal. Under the hood, the Navigator retains its proven 3.5-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, delivering around 450 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission that provides seamless shifts and strong acceleration. The powertrain is engineered for both power and efficiency, offering a confident drive whether you're towing a trailer, heading off-road, or cruising on the highway. Rear-wheel drive is standard, with four-wheel drive available for those who need more traction and versatility. Towing capacity remains impressive at up to 8,700 pounds, making it a capable vehicle for heavy loads or weekend adventures. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Navigator offers one of the most luxurious and spacious interiors in its class. Premium materials, soft leather upholstery, and elegant wood trims create a serene environment for both driver and passengers. The layout is intuitive and comfortable, with 3 rows of seating and best-in-class legroom in the second and third rows. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats are available, and the third-row seats are power folding for added convenience. Technology in the 2026 Navigator has been elevated with the inclusion of a massive touchscreen display that integrates the latest version of Lincoln's infotainment system. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, voice commands, and over-the-air updates. A fully digital instrument cluster and a rear seat entertainment system enhance the experience for all occupants. The available Revel Ultima 3D audio system transforms the cabin into a concert hall, delivering rich and immersive sound throughout the vehicle. Safety and driver assistance are also top priorities in the new Navigator. The SUV includes Lincoln Copilot 360, a suite of advanced safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane centering, automatic emergency braking, blind spot detection, and a 360-degree camera system. The Navigator also offers Lincoln's Active Glide system, which allows for hands-free driving on approved highways, providing a more relaxed driving experience during long trips. Overall, the 2026 Lincoln Navigator is a powerful combination of luxury, technology, and capability. Whether you're driving through the city or taking the family on a long road trip, this SUV delivers in every category. It offers a commanding presence on the road and a calming sanctuary inside, proving once again that Lincoln knows how to do luxury right. Thanks for watching this detailed review of the 2026 Lincoln Navigator. For more reviews, specs, and in-depth automotive content, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay connected with Wheels and Wings.